CardioWest Plus a multivitamin, a boa for good blood circulation, a sign to control cholesterol levels, a sign to bo wakuma ni jumedi e ho ban edema. Nti wa cholesterol, BP, and any person, it doesn't matter what area be, you can take it to maintain good cholesterol level in the body and also for your heart's performance and good blood circulation. Baby, ubenya edroi bi ato pharmacy bi a ubeko bi ubenya edroi bi ato. Manahwe mapomoden ho nsem e de ama. Yefa edroi nso say ehemu 2 tablets omega 3 and the CardioWest tablets befa 1 tablet each after your main meal.